Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the engine starter fuses and relays are located, where can guys find them? Where you can buy cheap parts and tools, guys, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way you do not waste money and time, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The engine starter fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them on that Ford Explorer. We will demonstrate on this specific Ford Explorer right here. First we need to go ahead and open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, that's the car battery. On the driver's side you have that main engine fuse box. Here you need to press these two tabs, lift that cover up, and you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, okay, what we need to check now? First we need to check one fuse. This is the main engine starter fuse, and we're talking about fuse 19. So that's 18, 19 right here, that 30 fuse, that's the one that you need to check. What about a relay, guys? The relay for the starter is known as relay 13, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13. Relay 13 is right here. Those are the two main things. Now, however, guys, now right here, if you come again under the hood on the car battery, on the positive terminal, you see right here, if you open it, guys, you're going to have, okay, that's a positive terminal, you have some integrated fuses. Let me get this view so you can see things better. Here, if any of these fuses is bad, your starter may not work as well, so you need to check those just in case as well. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.